Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madalina and you are on MadLife. And if you're new here, please consider to subscribe. It will help me a lot. So today's video, it's about Vinted. I don't know if you heard about this application. It's an app where you can sell or buy stuff like clothes, shoes, bags, kids' toys, everything that you want. So as you can imagine, I have a lot of clothes, I have a lot of shoes, I buy a lot of stuff because I'm slightly addicted to buying stuff. I just need to get rid of a lot of clothes, and I gained some weight, and some of the clothes, they're too small for me or I just don't like them and I want to sell them. That's why today we're talking about Vinted. You can have this app, but I think it's everywhere. I'm not sure. Today I will show you how to make an account, how to post an item on your page. I think that's how you call it. How to sell it, how to wrap it, and how do you download a label to send it. It's really easy actually. Before I downloaded it, I was so panicked I didn't know how to use it. I will pop my screen somewhere here on one side to another one. First, you need to download the application, of course. Then you need to create an account. You can use whatever username you want. You can put your real name, you can put a fake name, it doesn't actually matter. You need an email address, and if you want to sell stuff or to buy stuff, you need to put the number of your credit card so you can actually sell or buy stuff. If someone buys an item from you, the money won't come directly to your bank account. It will go on a virtual account from Vinted, and when the customer received the package and it says everything is okay and they're happy with it, then you will receive the money. And on this app, you don't have to worry about shipping because the customers are paying the shipping. For me, that I live in Belgium, I can choose bpost or Mondial Relay, but everyone chooses Mondial Relay because it's a drop-off point and it's actually cheaper than bpost. A t-shirt, for example, it's under 0.5 kilograms, and on Mondial Relay it's like 2 euros and a bit, but if you want to sell it with bpost, it's 5 euros or something like that. So it's a big difference. When you want to post an item, you have to take pictures of the item. I always try to make it on my carpet actually, because it's the only neutral place that I have in my house. If the picture is prettier, then you have more chances for a product to be bought. That's why it's really important to take a nice and a clear picture. And then you post the picture, then you have to choose the brand. You have to write a name, a description of the item. If you don't have a brand or you have cut the tag, you can choose no brand at all. Then you have to choose the size, the price that you want, color. Very important, you have to choose the correct weight. If your item is heavier than what you say, then you cannot send the package or they have to pay extra. Yeah, if I'm missing something, probably you will see on the screen. You have finished with everything, you just post it and you hope that someone will want your item. When someone wants to buy your product, they can choose to buy one product or in a bundle. They can choose like multiple items. You have to choose the weight, and if they buy in bundle, you can choose to give them a discount. And really important, if someone buys your item, you have 5 days to send it. If you go in vacation, you can choose holiday mode, which means they're gonna hide all your items and people cannot buy it. Because if you go 2 weeks in vacation, for example, and someone buys an item from you, then you cannot send it in 5 days. And after the person buys your item, then you receive a message that someone wants to buy your item. Then you have the option to download label. You will receive it on your email and you just have to print it. And then now I will show you how I wrap the items. Okay, so let's say this is the item that I want to send. So let's fold it. I have these bags. Oh, hello. They're from AliExpress. You can use a special bag, you can use even a bin bag, you can close it with clear tape, it doesn't actually matter. Some people, they just want to do it really nicely and wrap it, but if you want to put something nice inside, like a note or something, you can do it. It's always nice when you receive a package and you have a nice note. It can be like printed or handwritten, but I do not do that because I don't have time for this. So you put the item inside and try not to make it really small because the label needs to be here. Open this. and then I just have to close it. The only thing that you need is the label. This is how the label looks like. This part, it should be visible. This part, it should be put inside of the package, but I usually just fold the paper into and have it in the back. And then we just take it and put it on the package. Obviously, you will need some clear tape. I usually just put tape like this, and this, like on all the corners. Make sure that you don't put clear tape on this because they have to scan it and put like a tag here, and that one is the tracking number. And also, if you have like a kitchen scale, you can check the weight of the package. Okay, so after I'm done with the wrapping and the label, then I can take the package and go to Mondial Relay drop point. I just give the package, they scan it. You'll receive a message on Vinted instantly that your parcel has been sent. You receive another message when the buyer picked up the package. After they check the package, they have to say if the item is okay or not. If it's not okay, they can open a dispute, and you can talk to them if they want to receive their money back or they will send the product back. But be careful with this because I did a mistake. I switched two shipping labels. So this person, she was really nice. She sent me my item back, but the other person, she doesn't want to do it. Of course, if the item that you receive is more expensive than what you paid, some people would like to keep it. So yeah, be careful with that and don't switch the labels and send the right item, and don't lie when you post an item. That was it from this Vinted video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!